I'm Michael.
I'm Blane.
And we are the GNomad Guys. Well, welcome to our channel, where we will share our experiences on travel, food, cooking, and our local experiences. We've traveled together for over 30 years, and during that time, on the side, I started to write Google reviews and received over 9.5 million views. So we decided to take it to the next level with this channel.
In the past several years, we have lost so many of our friends and loved ones well before their time. Many of their spouses, friends, and family are watching us now.
Unfortunately, I lost my mother in 2023, well before her time. This changed me forever. So at the end of 2024, I left my corporate job and we decided to travel full time.
In 2025, we hit 11 countries and even did a 3-week, 5,000-mile road trip down the East Coast and over to New Orleans and back up to New Jersey.
So we hope you join us on our nomadic adventures. Up next is a quick preview, so stay tuned. hope you enjoyed this video. Our goal is 1,000 subscribers in the next few days, and we begin releasing our new videos. We hope that we inspire you to travel, or just travel vicariously with us. As we began this video with a tribute to our friends and my mother, we have a saying, tomorrow is never promised.
Live for today.
So please subscribe, like, share, and share your thoughts with us. We would love to hear it.